How to turn on or turn off developer mode on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Privacy and Security. Next, we scroll down and in the Security section, tap on Developer Mode. And from here, tap on Developer Mode toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now when you turn it on, it said that you need to restart. So here, tap on the restart button when you want to restart your iPhone. And here say, when developer mode is turned on, your device security will be reduced. Restart your device to turn on developer mode. So tap on the restart button to activate developer mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now this may take a moment or two for the device to boot up. If it does not boot up after some moment, you can try to press and hold on the side button. So there it is. It does take a few seconds for the device to boot up. And again, thank you for watching this video. And here's it, ready to enable developer mode. So swipe up to continued. And then tap on enable. Then we need to enter the passcode. And that's it. Developer mode has now been activated. Thank you for watching.